Lauren, the storm is a little bit stronger this evening. Winds increased as of the 8 o'clock advisory to 60 miles an hour. That's where they're holding right now, and it's moving to the west-northwest at 17. So no change on that. 330 miles to the east-southeast of the mouth of the Mississippi River there. And on that west-northwest motion, it's going to be less than 24 hours before it makes landfall. The forecast is sometime tomorrow evening, and quite possibly as a Category 1 hurricane. A slow weakening trend is expected as it crosses the northern Gulf here. Then it's a weakening trend after that strengthening trend into the northern Gulf, a weakening trend and a big rainmaker here, and it's a place where they don't need the rain. They've had a lot of flooding of late. The computer models indicate that the highest winds, and then that little line there, that's the cone, but you can see the wind field extends outside of the cone, sweeps its way northwest into the northern Gulf. These values have actually gone down in New Orleans just a little bit. They've also gone down in Pensacola. I think the wind field is actually a little bit smaller than the earlier predictions, and that would be a good thing. That means that basically fewer areas would be impacted by the strongest winds of the storm. Here's the way it looks tonight in kind of a half-shaped storm, what we call it, or asymmetrical. It's basically on one side right there. The other side doesn't have much bad weather on it, but a lot of thunderstorms on the eastern side of it there. You can see there's kind of where the center is and all the bad weather on the east side. In fact, the Keys right now, especially Key West, getting hammered with a squall that has been moving up to the northwest. Quite a bit of lightning and heavy rains there. Here in South Florida, just a few showers blowing by, and that's probably going to be what we get through most of the night. Winds across the state, not too strong. The wind field from the center of Gordon is not that big, so it's really kind of a concentrated wind area that is moving with it as it moves to the northwest. And computer models show Gordon continuing to move away, and here in South Florida we see these passing showers from time to time tonight and tomorrow. So in detail, as Gordon moves away, some quick moving showers and a few storms along the mainland tonight, a gentle breeze. Tomorrow, sun at times, passing storms. The rest of the week looking pretty good. Summer sun and just some spotty storms here or there. I've got a complete look at the detailed forecast coming up.
Craig, thanks. Tonight, the mayor of New Orleans is urging some of her residents to evacuate ahead of Tropical Storm Gordon. People all along the Gulf Coast, from Louisiana to the Florida Panhandle, are busy preparing tonight. In New Orleans, a voluntary evacuation order is in effect for people who live in neighborhoods that are not protected by levees. For everyone else, the mayor is urging them to stock up on supplies and shelter in place. She promises the city is ready.
We've got the pumps and power we believe we need, again, to be safe and protect our residents.
Louisiana's governor has declared a state of emergency in advance of the storm's arrival tomorrow.